What's up, YouTube? Back to me again. It's Ben, and today, as I promised, I got a new unboxing for you guys. And this is a collaboration between AC Milan and Off-White. And I got both jerseys, like the fourth kit, and both colorways. And I got the red one and the black one. So it comes in a very fancy box. Those two boxes are the same, so I just gonna show you one. So it comes in a very heavy box. It's actually very heavy, with the AC Milan logo and the Diavoli branding of with the quotation mark signature from Off-White. And the back's basically just Puma, and the price tag, which is $180 in retail. So basically you just slide this out, and inside you get another one, another box, fancy looking box as well, with the Off-White logo, with the flame in the Puma logo on it. This represent the collab between AC Milan and Off-White. And this is the same for this one too. I'm just gonna take this out, box away, and here you go, guys. These are the two fourth kits from AC Milan and Off-White collab, and I'll show you. So in here, this is the black one, as you guys can see. And also this is, I'll take this out real quick. And you got the red ones over here. Also got, check this out too. So inside you'll see the number 63 in quotation mark, and this is the quotation mark for I support sport for change, with the logo of Puma, AC Milan, and Off-White. I believe this collab was inspired by Martin Luther King as well. So part of it was the number of 63, and then they have a lot of different like printing on the back. First would be the Diavoli, and then you got the Dreamers, and then players, and then your name in quotation marks. But then I just bought the original, like with no printing at all. So let's take a look at the black one first. So the tissue inside has the transition between the black and the green one, which is the same as the black jersey. So let's take it out real quick. So the jersey itself is made of the ultra weave materials in black and transition to green. You get the Puma Off-White logo on the front, with the AC Milan and the Diavoli quotation marks on the front, with a black and red color. Inside you get the number 63 in quotation mark, and I support sports for change, and then you get the Off-White Puma AC Milan collab inside. I ordered a size L for both. So this is like on authentic versions. You get the authentic license football from Puma. And then you got all the Off-White logo printing all over the jersey, which is super nice. There's the back of it, and then you got a tag in rubber. I would say it's red with the off-white, same like the normal off-white version. And here's the wording diagonally in quotation marks, off-white. This is the black one. And let's go to the red one. So the red one features the same decoration, same design, but I would say it's just different colorway. Let's take these out. Basically, we're getting all red transitions to the green one with the ultra weave materials on it. Then you got the Emirates Fly Better on the front with the Puma X Off-White logo and AC Milan logo on the front. Same design, same off-white printing all over the jersey, but the difference is the color. You get the black and yellow color, and that's it. The materials looks very nice, to be honest. It feels very lightweight, and also it's better for your sweat when playing. You got the tag as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my unboxing, guys. I think this collab is just insane. The popularity, the hype is there, and you got the decorations, the style, the design is super nice. And I'm glad I can get my hands on these two jersey, and I'll probably wear them for playing soccer, or even like just to wear casually, because it's gonna be very nice. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Peace.